To eminence tutors. This is a mathematics tutorial on trigonometry, special angles to be precise. So we are going to look on how to derive the trig ratio for this angle 30 degrees and angle 60 degree. So at the end of this video, we'll know how to understand how to derive the trig ratio. When I talk about trig ratio, I'm talking about the so, car, and the tour for this angle 30 and angle 60. So now, using an equilateral triangle, consider we have an equilateral triangle. The feature of an equilateral triangle, first thing that comes to the mind is all sides are equal. They have equal sides. So if you assume that we take each side to be of the same unit, like 2 units each. So, and you know, the sum of angle in a triangle is 180 degrees, right? So considering all sides equal, definitely the 3 angles will be equal. So if you divide 180 degrees by 3, you are going to have 60 degrees each. So that means each angle of an equilateral triangle is 60 degrees. Now, let's assume we introduce a bisector. A bisector is a line that divides any shapes into 2 equal parts. So if you have angle 60 degrees here, now bisecting this angle to 2, that makes it 30. So we are concentrating on this angle. So by the virtue of the bisection, so we can now conclude that this place will be 1 unit. Let's assume that we are using centimeter. Say we are using centimeter, so it will be 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, and then 2. So concentrating on this triangle, let's bring it out. So we have 1, 2, 60, 30. So now by Pythagoras theorem, we can easily find this side, the dimension of this side. So let's call this place x. So definitely 2 squared equals to 1 squared plus x squared. That is, the hypotenuse square is equals to the sum of the 2 opposite squares. That's what Pythagoras is talking about. So now, if we simplify this, we have x to be root 3. So definitely this side is root 3. So it's root 3. Now, coming back to our trig ratio, so So now, taking angle 30 first. So taking angle 30, this place will be our opposite, this place will be our hypotenuse, and this place will be our adjacent. Okay, so taking angle 30 first. So sine 30 will be opposite over hypotenuse. Now opposite, which is what, 1 over 2, that sine 30 is 1 over 2. Cos 30 will be adjacent, which is root 3 over hypotenuse 2. While tan 30 will be opposite, 1 over adjacent, root 3. Now for angle 60, using this angle 60, this will become our opposite side, this will become our adjacent, and this will remain our hypotenuse. So sine 60 will be equals to opposite, that's root 3 over hypotenuse 2. Cos 60 will be equals to adjacent, which is 1 over hypotenuse, which is 2, and tan 60 will be equals to opposite, which is root 3 over adjacent, which is 1, root 3 over 1. So anything over 1 is that number. So what do you notice? There's a mutual relationship between sine and cosine. If you look at sine 30 and cos 60, they are mutually related. You have 1 over 2, 1 over 2. Cos 30 and sine 60 has the same value. That is to tell you that sine and cosine are mutually related. Okay, so on next class, on next video like this, we shall be discussing. Okay, on next video, we'll be discussing angle 45. So watch out for the next video. So if you find this video helpful and educative enough, kindly click on the like button. Don't forget to share and drop your comment. Okay, drop your comment. Stay glued to this channel for more tips like this. Appreciate it.